Hello everybody, this is Ruben with Ruben's IT Lab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a silhouette of any logo. I'm using my logo that I created really quick today, and I'm going to be using Cricut Design Space. So once you're within Cricut Design Space, just click New Project in the top right, and you'll see this canvas area. There's an upload button on the left hand side. I've already uploaded the picture, but you can just upload image here and then upload the logo you're trying to create a silhouette of. Once you click it, add to canvas, you'll see it right here. I like to just drag it in the middle there. And up top there's an offset, and the offset's what creates the silhouette. So you can see the silhouette being created already. This will dictate the size of the silhouette. So I'm going to choose a bigger one, that way it's one whole silhouette. And I'll click apply. And right there, it created the silhouette. I usually take a Shift Windows S, which will do a snippet of it. Here's a picture. I'm going to save that into my downloads folder. Exit out. So here's a screenshot. I like to open with Paint 3D. And you can use anything with the fill bucket. I plan to use this silhouette in 3D printing, so I'm going to turn it into an SVG right now. So there's that. And I'm going to just hit save. So I use this website to convert. Here's a screenshot. You just want to convert it to a SVG. But you can use any converting website. It's no big deal. It takes about a few seconds up to a minute. Just hit download. Save that. So then once I'm in Tinkercad, now that it's an SVG, I'm just going to choose that file. Here's the SVG for my download folder. This is the size. This doesn't really matter. And you'll see it says it's importing. There it is. Not sure why it didn't work the first time. And there is the silhouette, and it is going to be, you can just export as a STL, and there you go.